Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a baked cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor or a food safe bag and place your biscuits in and just blitz them down or bash them with a rolling pin until you have a fine crumb. It should look similar to that of sand. Then add in your melted butter and mix until it's fully incorporated. It will change to looking more like wet sand, and this is what you're looking for and is perfect, so don't take it any further. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a baking tin, which is bigger than the other baking tin that you intend on using. You can then go ahead and pour the biscuit mixture into the base of your 8-inch round cake tin. You can align the size of your tin if you like, but you don't have to. I went with it as it's a good option. Compress the biscuits down as much as you can, getting them as level as possible, then place into the oven and bake off for 10 minutes. And while that is baking in the oven, you can go ahead and make the cheesecake filling, which is really simple. So just grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into that mixing bowl place all of your cheesecake ingredients. And trust me, it's really easy. You can use a food processor, a stand mixer, or even just a bowl and a whisker like I am. It's that easy. You don't need any specialist equipment to make it. So just get all of the ingredients into the bowl and whisk it all together until it's fully combined. Being careful not to over mix, as this mixture does contain a small amount of flour, and if you over wet that flour it will be noticeable in the end result, and that's not what you're looking for. So once you can see no single trace of any ingredient, you're good to go. So once your base is baked, you can remove it straight from the oven, and you don't need to let it cool before you pour the cheesecake filling on. You can just go ahead and pour that straight in there, as this will then be going straight into the oven, so it won't make too much of a difference. Don't forget to cover the top with foil, as you don't want it to colour. That's more of a Basque cheesecake, and that's a recipe that I've got coming up very soon for you. So cover with foil and then bake in your oven. And I bake for around 55 minutes to an hour, and it should look something like this. The centre can be a little bit jiggly once you take it out of the oven, but nothing major. I've allowed mine to cool and chill in the fridge overnight. It makes it so much easier to work with. Once you've done that, you can then remove it from the tin and remove the parchment paper from the sides and the bottom. And here is what it looks like once it's baked. A bit of colour on the sides, but nothing too major. It doesn't affect the taste. And of course you could top this with sour cream or with fresh cream. It's really up to you. But I've kept it very simple and just made a plain baked cheesecake. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.